In this module, we're going to help you lock in your next steps so you can stay consistent, stay focused, and grow your brand into something that supports your freedom, your lifestyle, and your long-term goals. Here's what we want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect to win in this space. You need to be consistent. The truth is, most people start and stop. They download a product, watch a video, maybe list one item, and then disappear. But the ones who win, they take action. They test, they improve, and they keep showing up, even when they're still figuring things out. So here's your action plan moving forward. Step 1. Launch what you've built. Whether you're using Gumroad, StanStore, WordPress, or Shopify, get your first offer live. List your product. Post about it. Share it. Don't wait for perfect. Step 2. Build your funnel. Set up your lead magnet, tripwire, and follow-up sequence. Even if it's simple, just get it working. You can refine it as you go. Step 3. Grow your list. Use organic content, affiliate promotions, or paid traffic. One email at a time, one post at a time. Grow your audience and nurture them with value. Step 4. Use your vault. If you have access to the ultimate digital cash flow vault, you never have to start from scratch again. You've got ready-to-sell products, Canva templates, lead magnets, copywriting tools, training, and everything you need to launch again and again. This isn't just a product library, it's a long-term growth engine. If you don't have access yet, a link is waiting for you below this video. It's the best next step you can take to eliminate overwhelm and start building momentum faster. Step 5. Stay visible. Post daily if you can. Share your wins. Show behind the scenes. People don't just buy products, they buy from people they trust. Let them see you. Step 6. Think long-term. This is not a one-time hustle. This is a business model that can grow with you for years. You can start solo, but eventually you'll build systems. You'll build automation. And you'll build income that doesn't stop when you do. And finally, believe in the potential. There's no limit to how far you can take this. You can launch one product or 100. You can grow a personal brand or stay behind the scenes. You can sell journals, courses, templates, coaching, or all of the above. Digital products are the future. You're early, you're in the right place, and you've got the roadmap now. So take the next step. Get visible, get live, get paid. And remember, you're never starting from scratch when you've got the ultimate digital cash flow vault in your corner. Let's build your digital empire one product at a time.